Do you want to make websites that look like this? If yes, then watch the video till the end, as every single part of this video is extremely important. I have given timestamps to this video as well. So let's start. First, let's take a topic. Let's keep it about Stoicism. Now, let's go to ChatGPT and search. Give me a good name for a Stoicism website. Alright, I like this one. Now let's ask it. Give me a good logo prompt that I can give to Leonardo about the same. Nice. Let's now copy this line and go to Leonardo AI. Now let's select this model and here we go. We pasted our prompt that was given by ChatGPT and there we are. Nice. Now download this logo. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask, make the outline of website. Give me full text too. At last, I want to make the user download my book about Stoicism. While ChatGPT is doing this, let me tell you, I have given this website creating roadmap in a docs file. To get it, go to the link in the description and scroll down to the page. By the way, this is my website. There you can see download link in the end. You just have to subscribe to my channel, then go back to the link and you will get the roadmap discussed in this video. Okay, now this is good. You might need to regenerate it, but it's alright. Get a perfect one that you love and let's move on. Okay, now we will ask about give HTML and CSS code for a cool website about this. I don't have any coding experience, so make it simple and easy for me. Now this might come different for you, but I think if it doesn't tells you how to do it, then it's fine. You can just keep regenerating it. Now go to your desktop and create a folder. Let's name it what the website's name was. Now let's create a file name index.html. This name can't be changed, and if you change it, your entire work might go to vain. By the way, if you are following up, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Good. Now we will copy this code from ChatGPT. This code should look like this, and we should start with this. Copy this code and paste it there. Now save this and create another file. Name it style.css. Then paste the CSS code provided by ChatGPT. Great. Now what you have to do is save everything and close the notepad. Now when you open this folder again that you created right now, this logo will come. It means that it is a website. If you are using a macOS or Linux, it might look different. Now click on it and now as you can see, it looks like a great website. There we are. Now our website is done. If you don't like this website, you can take screenshot of the part that you don't like and then give the image to ChatGPT. Remember, you can upload up to 4 images every 6 hours. This is nice. This should be enough for your requirements. Alright, now my website looks good enough. So now you might want to share it, right? But the problem is this is just a folder in your desktop. So how will you share it with other people? Well, you might say,
I will just share the file.
No. That is a very bad idea. They might know how to run it. So what you should do is go to a website called Netlify. Yeah, this one, the first link. Now log in with email. If you have GitHub, then it will be great. Do all the basic informational field and done. Now you have to do is manually upload the file. Now just click here and you can drag the folder where you created the website, or you can browse. Now click here and wait for a bit. It should take maximum 2 minutes as per your connection. Now wait for the magic and there we go. We got our link. This is the link. Yes, it looks little sad, like it has a lot of gibberish in it. So now what we can do is click here and then here. Now you can change your domain name. Remember, netlify.app part can't be changed, okay? Nice, alright. So this is our shareable link. Now let me share it in WhatsApp. Great, you can see it can work now. Now you just made an entire website. An entire website in less than 7 minutes. Alright, have a great day and see you in the next video. Cut. Isn't that a copyright outro? Yeah, alright. Alright, see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Yeah, that should do it.